start with fresh pork loin. Wash it gently and pat it completely dry to remove excess moisture.
Cut small slits on the connective tissue. Pound gently to make the pork tender and cook evenly.
Season both sides with salt and black pepper. Keep the seasoning simple to highlight the pork flavor.
Coat the pork evenly with flour. This helps the egg layer stick and builds the base for crisp texture.
Dip the floured pork into beaten egg. Make sure every surface is coated evenly.
Cover the pork generously with panko breadcrumbs. Press lightly so the crumbs stay airy and crisp.
Fry at medium heat until golden brown. Turn gently to cook both sides evenly without burning.
Press the cutlet, then fry once more briefly. This double fry creates an extra crisp crust.
Slice the tonkatsu and serve hot with fresh cabbage and sauce. Crispy outside, juicy inside.